Hello guys, my name is Talal. You can also call me Einstein too if you like. Today I want to be telling you about a very legendary plane that has been around for a long time, still in service today. Its name is the DC-10, or you want to say the full name, McDonnell Douglas DC-10. So, have you ever played with Legos before? Well, exactly. I'm going to be building that same plane with Legos. First step is to take a 1 by 6 red color plate like this. You guys can see properly. Whoa. Then you want to take another and place it like this, leaving a 1 stud space. Remember that. And from this 1 stud space, you want to add another one like that. It kind of be loose, so be careful. Then you want to add another one exactly like this, and you press it down and like this. So we have this. You grab a piece like this and you want to add it here, so like this gap, so you have this. Now once you're done, you take this piece over here. You can also grab this, it's the same thing, and this cone piece, this white color, and you want to attach it with here, so like that your nose has been completed. Now you want to make the cockpit. You will grab one dark shaded blue and you add it at the very like this stud. It must look like this. Once you're done, you have to add 1 by 2 red plate and you want to add it over here like that. It will makes another one. Then, so basically, we're going to add this later. So I want to prevent a big issue. If you add this over here, it's pretty fragile and loose like that. So what am I going to do is if I add this, let's say, that would be, it will also pry it out. So you're going to be adding a dark blue color 1 by 4 tile, and you want to add it until it makes another like this same shape. Now once you are done, you want to add a white color 1 by 6 plate and you want to add it also with it like this. Now once you are done, you want to add another dark blue 1 by 4 plate and you want to add it in this gap over here until it reaches the cockpit. So now once you are done with that, you have, but your cockpit is not done yet. Like really, why do you have that space there? It looks so annoying. Well, I have a issue with using plates. Now this plate is, let's just split it in half. Split. Now once we have split it in half, we have to add them like the 1 by 6 black plate till the cockpit like this. There goes one. Now we so now once you have did this, you want to take another 1 by 6 black plate and you want to add it over here. So it is normal if it leaves like 2 gap space. So when you leave a 2 gap space, that is the most important thing. You should not let this be fully covered. We are done with the fuselage. Let's start with the wings. It's just a few parts, probably. So the first thing I want to do when I'm building a wing is regularly build the engines. So we have to take this piece over here, and it looks like this. And you want to take one of these round pieces and you want to add them together. Like over here, you see the square at the back. You want to add the small tip inside and it shows a bright big hole. Now once you turn it back, you will have this over here. Now you have your engine. Let's do another one really quick. Over here and over here. We are done with both of our engines. Looks very nice. Let's start off with the wings. You take a 2 by 3 plate over here. You at the top you want to add one 2 by 6 plate, two of them, until it leaves a gap inside. Now you want to add it over here with the wings. Do you see a small crack here? That is the area where you place it. Normally in Lego you have these types of spaces, so that's totally normal. Now once you're done with that, you want to look under your wing because you have to just do something right. So do you see like over here, there's this holes. You want to see the second one, leave one hole and you want to add it there, leaving a gap. Let's do that to the other side fastly. Oopsies, it's okay. You can fix it back. Now you have this. Doesn't it look good? But if you guys know about the DC-10, you know that there's always a rear mounted engine, the third engine. So let's just build that. Why not? Here are all the pieces you would need. First, you want to grab a 2x3 plate, and then you want to grab this slope piece, which is 2, and you want to add it like this. Then you want to add a 2x2 plate, another 2x2 plate surrounding it. Then you want to add this plate which has 2 holes, and you want to place them forward and back, not left and right, forward and back. Now take a circle like this, and you want to add it over here. Take a cone piece, brown color, and add it over here. Now once you're done, you want to add the top part of your vertical stabilizer carrying the engine. It's okay guys, normal. So now you have to add this and just place it on like this. Make sure to make it accurate. Now once you're done, your final thing is, you see that 2 gap space in the middle? That was supposed to be for this. And you are done. I don't, so I want to show you some things about it. It looks like this. There's a third engine, 1, 2 and 3 engines. So I want to make a small crash animation. A plane takes off, engine